Right when you clicked on this video, 2 people died. And 5 seconds from now, 10 people will be dead. And now, the probability of you dying tomorrow is 1 in 25,915, which is roughly 0.004%. In the grand scheme of things, this number sounds pretty low. But what if it comes true? What if you really die tomorrow? What if that 0.004% chance actually happens?